Hello guys and welcome back to Techie Screw channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Instagram you have been logged out. Please log back in problem. If you are experiencing that you have been logged out, please log back issue on Instagram. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. First of all, check your internet connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection. A reliable internet connection is essential for logging in and accessing Instagram. After that, update Instagram app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Restart your phone. Restart your phone to refresh its setting and clear temporary glitches. Turn off your phone and wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. After that, clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting and scroll down. You can see here apps, tap on it and tap on manage apps. Here you can search for Instagram. In app info of Instagram, you can see here storage, tap on it. In the bottom, you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.